The Owen James Report is brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.
I'm sure you've seen many commercials about financial services and investment opportunities. The smiles, the nice business suits, the charts, the beautiful scenes, and of course, children.
Cut!
But real financial management means more than selling you a product or service. It's about protecting your money, your life, your future. It's about integrity. With over 3 decades of proven excellence, you should look no further than Burrita, making money work for you.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Well, certainly by now we should have gotten a good idea of who will be the next President of the United States. The US is our biggest trading partner. However, will it matter who wins the American polls? Indications are that there will not be much more for Latin America and Caribbean countries, whatever the outcome of tonight's U.S. presidential elections. The OJR reports did a quick survey of most of the pre-election pronouncements of both the incumbent and the challenger, and there was not much to go on. The question of regional trade did not come up until the third presidential debate, when challenger Mitt Romney took a shot at Obama for what he called missing trade opportunities within an era that was perhaps more important in trade terms than China. However, the Huffington Post is reporting that while Romney is offering to expand trade with Latin America and the Caribbean, there's not much room for expansion, as there are already free trade area agreements with Mexico, Central America and the Caribbean, Panama, Colombia, Peru, Chile and the Dominican Republic, something Obama cultivated in continuation of previous U.S. policies. As it continues to seek money to fund the current budget, the Jamaican government is issuing a 10-month variable rate benchmark investment note at an initial coupon of 7.75%. The offer opens on November 9 and closes on November 13 this year. Now, interest is fixed at 7.75% per annum for 3 months, and thereafter interest will be paid quarterly at a variable rate of 1.37 percentage points above the benchmark rate until maturity on September 9, 2013. The instrument is taxable. News on the market now, and thanks mainly to gains by D&G, Lime and Scotia Group, the stock market indices advanced today with the main JC index gaining 405 points or 0.2%. 24 stocks traded, with 11 advancing, 9 declining and 4 holding firm. The winners included Carreras, Deno and Geddes, Lime, Palace Amusement, Radio Jamaica and Scotia Group. The losers included Caribbean Cement, Hardware and Lumber, JMMB, NCB, Sagicor Life Jamaica and Supreme Ventures. On the foreign exchange market, amidst high broker demand and limited supplies, the Jamaican dollar weakened against the benchmark American dollar but strengthened against the Canadian dollar and the British pound. Sales of foreign exchange exceeded purchases by $438,000 US or 1.6%. Here are today's numbers. The benchmark American dollar strengthened by 4 Jamaican cents, closing at an average selling rate of $91.13. However, the Canadian dollar lost 41 cents Jamaican, closing at an average selling rate of $91.02, whilst sterling declined by 19 Jamaican cents to close at $145.66. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.